What if I told you that you could build the next CoComelon without showing your face, without hiring a team, and without spending thousands of dollars on animation or music production? Sounds impossible? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a faceless YouTube channel for kids' songs and nursery rhymes using AI tools like ChatGPT, Leonardo AI, and Suno AI. And by the end of this video, you'll see just how easy it is to start your own kids' music empire from your laptop. But first, let's talk about why this niche is one of the most powerful opportunities on YouTube right now. Let's start with CoComelon, one of the biggest YouTube channels in the world. CoComelon started as a small channel posting simple 2D nursery rhymes. Today, it has over 190 million subscribers and earns an estimated $3 to $8 million per month. Yes, every single month. Another great example is Little Baby Bum, which also grew from a home animation project to a multi-million-dollar brand. And guess what? These channels are not driven by personalities, vloggers, or influencers. They're completely faceless, built purely on content that kids love to watch on repeat, songs, rhymes, colors, and characters. Now imagine being able to do the same thing, but using AI tools that make the process 100x faster and cheaper. Let's dive into exactly how you can do it, step by step. Step 1. Generate song ideas with ChatGPT. Start by opening ChatGPT and simply ask, give me 5 to 10 unique ideas for a new nursery rhyme for kids. For example, ChatGPT might suggest songs like the Rainbow Counting Song, ABC Adventures with Animals, the Goodnight Star Song, Cleanup Time Song, Sharing is Caring Song. Pick your favorite idea, maybe the Rainbow Counting Song. Step 2. Write the full song lyrics. Now ask ChatGPT to write full lyrics for a cheerful and educational kids song called the Rainbow Counting Song. And boom, ChatGPT will instantly generate a full rhyme with catchy and kid-friendly lyrics. Step 3. Turn the lyrics into music with Suno AI. Copy the lyrics and head over to Suno AI. Suno AI is an incredible tool that transforms text into actual songs. Just paste your lyrics, choose a style like kids song or nursery rhyme, and hit generate. Suno will give you 2 versions of your song. Preview both and pick the one you love the most. Now you've got your original kids song ready to go. Step 4. Import your song into ClipChamp. Next, open ClipChamp, a free online video editor by Microsoft. Import your song and drag it to the timeline. This will be the base for your entire video. Step 5. Create animation prompts with ChatGPT. Now it's time to bring your lyrics to life with Leonardo AI. Ask ChatGPT to generate detailed animation prompts for Leonardo AI for each 1-2 lines of my song lyrics in Pixar-style, baby-friendly animation. Each prompt should include main character details like a smiling rainbow or cute animals, scene description and actions environment like a sunny meadow, starry night, playground, etc. Pixar-style cartoon and baby-friendly animation. This ensures consistency and keeps the visuals engaging for children. Step 6. Define your character prompt. To keep your characters consistent across all scenes, ask ChatGPT to write a detailed character prompt for Leonardo AI describing the main character of my nursery rhyme in Pixar style. For example, a cheerful rainbow with big eyes, smiling face, and 7 colorful bands. Cute, baby-friendly, Pixar style. You'll use this same character description in every animation prompt you create. Step 7. Generate your animation in Leonardo AI. Now, go to Leonardo AI and open the video generation tool. Paste one of your scene prompts, and in just seconds, Leonardo AI will generate your animation scene. Download it and repeat this for each line or 2 of your song. Step 8. Assemble everything in ClipChamp. Once you've created all your animation clips, import them into ClipChamp. Place each scene in order, synced with your song's lyrics and timing. Add simple transitions, maybe a few subtitles for lyrics, and a colorful intro and outro. And just like that, you have a complete animated nursery rhyme video created entirely with AI tools. Think about it. In just a few hours, you can create something that once took animation studios weeks or even months. And remember, kids content is one of the most evergreen niches on YouTube. Parents are always searching for fun, safe, and educational videos for their little ones. Your next video could be played thousands, even millions of times every day while you sleep. So if you found this video helpful and you're excited to start your own AI-powered faceless channel, make sure to hit the like button, comment below. If you want me to make a full tutorial on editing or monetization, subscribe for more step-by-step guides on how to build AI-driven YouTube channels from scratch. This is your chance to build something fun, creative, and potentially life-changing with the power of AI. I'm David, and I'll see you in the next video.